Welcome back, Reddits. Today we're going to be talking about social proof and how important it is for your brand. People need reassurance, right? Obviously collecting reviews, that's great. Having reviews on your Facebook page, on your store, that's great. That's awesome. But consumers are getting more and more aware of these tactics. We've seen a lot of brands go and overinflate their reviews by buying them and this and that. And honestly, fake reviews do nothing. It's just like buying fake followers on Instagram or, YouTube, this and that. Like organic growth, people, you want to keep it real, right? Keep it real. Keep it 100, as the cool kids say these days. I think they say that. I'm not sure. I'm not cool anymore. Never was, actually. But anyways, I'm going to show you a brand right here who's doing it right. You see this right here? This little video pop-up thing here where it has a video testimony. You can click on it. Boom. Look at that. How cool is that? That is the coolest thing ever. Guess what? We're going to bring that to you today. You're going to be able to do this without paying for an app. And honestly, video testimonials speak for themselves. Like, we are testimonial whores. Excuse my language, but when we do work for a client, we want to hear their reactions. We want raw. We want to know how they truly felt about our work, and we have all kinds of reviews on our website. Seriously, you go here, company testimonials. We got all kinds of video testimonials. Look at that, beautiful. And look at that. Look, boom, boom. We did some work for Heavenly Woke, and we're featuring this video right here, and I'm going to show you how to add this to your store right now. So seriously, sit tight. Grab some popcorn, get a notebook, write some notes, whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you how to do this. So, I know our website's pretty beautiful. I know, I'm proud of it. And honestly, actually, comment below. What do you actually think of our store and our website? Like, do you like it? Any suggestions on how we can improve it? I want to know. I want to hear from you. All right, so close out of this. So every tutorial you get, everything you buy from us comes with this awesome tutorial, this documentation on how to do it. It's all in this organized folder. I'm getting ahead of myself. All in this folder right here. Everything's broken down by the assets, the sections, and you got this README. So just open this up in Chrome or double click if you already have it set for yourself. So first things first, as always, you're going to go to your Shopify admin store. You're going to click on themes like this. So you'll most likely see this when you log in. Click on themes. 3, 2, 1. Here we go! First step is we're going to add our assets and our section file. So I always like to start off with the assets first. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into this document and you're going to go highlight this. Don't highlight the .css because you don't need it. Shopify does this already for you. They're magic. They're wizards. It's Shopify. So you're going to go to assets, add new asset, create a blank file. Now we already copied the extension and it's a CSS file, so we're already there. Wow, Shopify, you read my mind. eg-sticky-video.css, hit done. Then you're going to open up the asset folder and you're going to go get the CSS, and you can see eg-sticky-video-css.rtf. Just double click that. It's going to open up a document. You're going to highlight all of this. You're going to copy it. You can go here, you can go copy, you can do Control-C, Command-C, whatever you want to do. So now we're going to go and paste this in here. Hit save. Boom. One of the steps is already done. It's that easy. Then we're going to go to eg-sticky-video.js. Don't copy the period. It will cause issues. Now we're going to close out of this asset file, add a new asset. Now you could drag and drop this if you want. You can rename the file to .css.js if you want. If you're feeling advanced, you can do that. No harm, no foul, right? Copy that. Done. Now we're going to go and open up the JS, eg-sticky-video.js. Double click. And it's going to go and open the JavaScript files. And we're going to paste this in. We're going to hit save. We're going to do eg-sticky-video.liquid. Again, without copying the .liquid file. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go into our sections. We're going to create a new section and we're going to paste it. See how it already adds a .liquid? You don't need to copy the .liquid. Hit done. And now, you guessed it, we're going to go and open up that liquid file. We're going to go back. We're going to go to sections. Open the liquid file. And let's close out of this file. And then you got your liquid. Copy. Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac. And get rid of all this. Delete it all. Paste it. Hit save. Boom. Now we're going to go find section footer in the layouts theme.liquid. So let's copy section footer. And I've already went over this video, over this Chrome extension. It's magic. It allows you to find pretty much anything inside your theme. I can go here and find where section footer is. Or if you don't have the Chrome extension, if you probably should, if you're going to be following these videos on a long-term basis, if you don't have the Chrome extension, here's what you can do. You can go here, Control F, find where it is, next. So we know we have a footer here, and these are also from previous videos. And now what are we going to do next? We're going to go and copy this right here. Boom. Edit. And we're going to just paste that right here. So what you need to do is you need to paste an MP4 link. Now, my suggestion for you is to compress this video down. It's going to be a small little preview, so just compress it. You want something less than 20 megabytes. You don't want people loading massive files. Now, in the future, we are going to be updating this to support YouTube as well as Vimeo. I personally love YouTube's video compression. It loads very, very quickly on the worst internet possible. Like I've been in like the middle of the woods without service and I was able to load a video. So, but for now we're using MP4s. You can use super compression. Like you can use Handbrake. It's a free tool. Handbrake. It's a free video compressing tool, or you can just do like, you know, MP4 compressor. You know, this, I like to use Free Convert because it's free, literally free. And you can just drop a file in here. You can check all different filters. You can change how much of a compression you want. But let's just get to it. I'm going to show you how to actually go and do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our main dashboard of Shopify. We're going to go to settings. Go to settings, and we're going to go to files. Now I've already uploaded MP4 in here, I believe. Somewhere in here, if I do file type, videos, you'll see all kinds of videos. So we've got a video here. I don't even know what video this is. So let's go and copy this video. And what we're going to do is in our customizer, we just paste the video in here. And then if you want to enable it, you can also just show the only show on the home page. You can have autoplay. You can change the border radius. You can double size on hover, meaning that it will expand quite a bit. So let's just hit save. There we go. So there's the video. See how it hovers and sticks? Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. How cool is that? And you're going to want this. I'm telling you. You're going to want to use this because it's going to show people, wow, this is a real person, real video testimonial. They're talking about how amazing this brand is. I want to buy your products because this person is so happy. Like you obviously you want to use this. You can use this for other things too. You could showcase benefits of a product or something. You know, have a quick little demonstration video of your product. Or, like I said, I like using it for testimonials. You know, you saw that other brand. I've seen this feature show up a lot lately on a number of stores. You know, and it's a monthly app. You have to pay a monthly fee. Again, you know, we're not 100% against apps, but we prefer to develop the feature into the theme. So anyways, guys, if you really like this video and you want to see more of this, please click that subscribe button and we will keep creating content and developing new features for you so you can maximize your revenue and live that dream life that you're just yearning for. Because trust me, I'm yearning for it too. All right, guys. Till next time. Thank you.